The steps for changing the app icons depend on the type of Android phone you have. I'm going to show the easiest way to do it on a Samsung Galaxy phone. You can go to Settings and from there scroll down to Themes. This opens the Galaxy Themes store that has themes for your phone, wallpapers, and app icon bundles. You can browse the featured icons or look at the top charts. If you know exactly what you want, you can use the search tool to search for a specific pack of icons. A lot of the downloads are paid, but there are some free options as well. I like this set of icons, so I'll just download it and then apply it to my phone. Once my phone loads up the icons, I get taken back to my home screen with my new set of icons. You'll notice how a lot of my third-party app icons didn't really change that much, and that's pretty standard for icons downloaded via Galaxy themes. Samsung icon packs only change apps they're specifically designed for. If an app isn't supported, it keeps its original icon. If you want to change all the icons, you'd need a third-party launcher app for that. If you go to the Play Store and search for Icon Pack, a lot of launcher apps will come up. If you change your mind and want to revert back to the default icons, we can do that too. Go back to Settings and Themes, then tap Menu on the bottom right corner and go to My Stuff, which is all the way on the top left. You can restore the full theme, wallpapers, or just icons. I'll do the full theme, apply it, and my phone gets restored back to its default look. And that's it. Click that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.